Have you ever wondered how many technical tools are out there? The moving average is one of the most widely used technical analysis tools. Its popularity is due to its simplicity. Many traders find it easy to construct and to interpret. But let's start from the beginning. Consider the following prices. 40 is the oldest, whereas 25 is the most current price. Now let's calculate a 5-period moving average on them. Add them up to get the sum of 161. Divide by 5 to calculate the average of 32.2. As you can see, this is the first point on the chart. After this, the new incoming price appears on the platform. We can go ahead and calculate the second average. To do that, we move once down the list, hence the name moving average. The next prices to be added are 36, 32, 28, 25, and 22. The total would thus be 143. After dividing by 5, we get an average of 28.6. This is the second point on the chart. Here, we have a new incoming price on the platform. The total of the last 5 prices is then 127. Once again, divide by 5 to get the average of 25.4. Now we have our third dot on the chart. We repeat this process for the next 5 prices. The total is 115. We then divide by 5 to get the average of 23. We repeat this process for the next 5 prices. Then, we drop 28 and add up the next 5 prices. After dividing 109 by 5, we get the next one, which is equal to 21.8. Let's do the same for the next 5 prices after dropping 25. Now the total is 22 plus 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 23 equals 107. And the next dot is 107/5 equals 21.4. Consequently, we drop price to 22 and add up the next prices. The total is 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 equals 108, which yields an average of 21.8. Move down a price again to get the next average. Next dot is 20 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 equals 114. This gives us 114/5 equals 22.8. As the next incoming price hits the chart, we drop 20 to calculate the next average. The last dot is calculated as 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 27 equals 121/5 equals 24.2. Now that we calculated all the averages, let's connect them to get this curving line. This is the moving average. Interesting enough, when prices are declining, they happen to be below the moving average line. And when the prices rise, they move above the moving average. So, as you can see, the moving average is a simple tool to help you navigate the price charts and also helps you identify the direction of the market. There is an upward direction when prices are above the moving average, and a downward one when prices fall below it. Additionally, it generates buy and sell signals. The buy signal is generated when the price moves above the moving average. Similarly, a sell signal is generated when the price drops below the moving average.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.